secondary datum and tertiary datum. So 3, 2, 1. So 3 degree of freedom, 2 degree of freedom, and 1 degree of freedom is 6 degree. It arrests like that. So if you hold this block over a surface plate, you cannot move down it, right? You cannot rotate across this plane. You cannot rotate across this. That means 3 degree of freedom are arrested. Then when you hold this back side, again another 2 rotation and translation is freeze. Again finally if you hold this side, all 6 degrees are restricted. That is the 3 to 1. And if you see the tolerance zones, so because of the variation, maybe this side or maybe this side, maybe the top side or all the 6 different sides, you will get the variation. And that variation is the flatness. So primarily all the 6 different surface as well the slot, everywhere you will get the variation of flatness. So in spite of those variation, still how can you say that after all the irregularity to the worst extent, still my part will be fitted? So that is the part of the MMC, maximum material condition, and least material condition scenario. So if you see next the diameter, this diameter also as per the notation here will get varied. It will be enlarged or it will be reduced, and you can see still what is the allowable limit. And also not only the diameter get varies, but also the axis will get varied. The axis can be obled. It can oval around the axis, and still you get the variation with respect to axis and with respect to diameter. So both the variation we use to control. So if you see here this particular diameter, right, 0.5, and this is the position, and this is the diameter 18, and you can have 0.5 plus or minus. That means maximum this whole diameter can be 18.5, but this 5.5 is the axis which it can oval to the 0.5, not that 19. So 18.5 plus 0.5, 19 is my maximum diameter. And also if you see the A, B and C with respect to this datum, whatever you have fixed, so how it is varying, this axis is parallel to the datum, and still what is the room? So here if you give a modifier M, still that 0.5 is applicable for your datum also. Just like that, it is also valid for the perpendicularity of this with respect to the base or any of the other side top. So how do you interpret? So that also is a part of here. You can see the perpendicularity again 0.5 with respect to B, and B, A and C all are the 3 planes. That is the gauging reference where you do interpret after manufacturing. And also the surface profile, the variation of the surface profile, how do you do? So this is also 0.5, and with respect to the C, the variation is interpreted after understanding this. And position of these holes, typical holes, this is